Ang gawin namin ng dito, yung mga importante sa Muslim, sa Islam mo yun sa Rabbi. Kasi pag yun isa-isa namin, o Muslim namin lahat naman, usikum ibadallah wa nafsin bitaqullah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-Itia'una Wali Johnny Pinahalaan na makaasira muna Rosana Dayang turan mapagsulutan masarasin agama Islam Sod na mahal basinan
I do.
Ania Wali si Johnny Pinahalaan na makaasi Rosana dahil suran ng masara sinaga ng Islam so na mahal basinan na.
Has been really contracted and accepted according to the requirements of Islamic law.
She did not have to say anything.
Nothing.
Islam only the man that have a Muslim.
The woman Muslim
She don't have to say
para kumpleto.
Sir? Opo, sir. Mabilis ka naman. Pero sir, kailangan meron yan talaga. Yung ginaganon talaga. Yan, pinaka-importante sa Muslim. Mapamatanda o bata. Kahit yan mga 10 beses ang mag-asawa o basta kaya niya.
You may kiss the bride.
Just in your imagination.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but he pulls us back in place. and beyond. We will let His will be done, 'cause He knows that I am yours and you are mine. We have made some mistakes, but He's there to tidy up our mess. We are blessed by His embrace. We'll serve together through His grace. And I know, and you know, that He knows, and it shows that with faith and love we stand the blast. 'Cause He knows that only you can see me through. And because of this, I give you mine. I do. He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I
Greeting from Almighty Allah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. To say, peace be upon us from Almighty Allah. So open our two hands to ask dua from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa qala rabbukum ud'uni astajib lakum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Bi rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin.
The sister of the bride para pangunahan ang pagsayaw ng culture dance. Sige po, sinong kasama nyo? Ayan. Tingnan nyo kinaali.
Bismillah,
ID. Palakpakan natin mag-ID. It was requested by our Chief of Head. And Babu Niyang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! Pwede daw, pwede. O sige dito, ayan. Kunwari ako choreographer niyo. O dito yung boy na isa. O nakaharap doon. Pogi. Walang naalis sa pwesto. Nakaharap, ayan. Sabi nung isa, busay pa lang. Ang popogi. Ay, walang yuyo ko. Sayang yung aking kapugian. Halika na! Yung tatay na lang mag-ayaw. Yung tatay. Yung tatay. Yay! Thank you very much. Let us now proceed to our SK. Okay, the makeup artist. Habang inaantay po natin yung food, of course, para proseso to, tinatawagan ko si Miss Francine. Of course, yes. Ano? At ang ating mga abay, mga Bini. Bini pala sila, Bini. Si Bini John at si Bini Beng. O, dito na. Sabi po nung isa, kung alam niya daw sasayaw siya, sana nag Batawi, Sablay. Sabi po ni Aljo. Okay, thank you so much. So, dito po kayo sa gitna. Si Bunso! Oh, tago ka pa, ha? Tago pa. Ha? Hindi, ako makumulot ng party nyo. Okay po, sige. Igan po, igan o salita kayo isa't isa. Igan daw, bumulong. Ay, igan lang din. Ay, malagasundo. Wala, siyang kulintangan daw. DJ, meron mo pala ng kulintangan. Wala! Sige, sasalita. Tulong mo na sa likod sila. May acknowledge the visitor of the group. Welcome po sa kasalan ng ating bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Okay. Siguro kung nagsalita yun, ang sasabihin lang nila. Magtulog na po kayo ng representative nyo pag lumapit kami sa table nyo kung sinong illegal. Kung wala pong representative, lahat po tatayo illegal. Ang ganda rin.
Stop.
on your very special day. So, continue tayo no, sa pagpiligan natin. Yes! Yes! Okay, masyado siyang ano pa ng pero talaga yan. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Smith! Ayan. Okay, let's go back to our cultural dance. Are you ready, everyone? Okay, sige. Nagmamahal ang ating bride. Meron din po siyang mga kasama. Nung way back siya ay nagtitinda sa SBMA. And we want to recognize them by allowing them to dance an eagle. Sino po ang kasama niyo sa SBMA? Si Auntie Saida. Auntie Emma. Si Papa London na daw ang magre-represent sa kanila. Si Papa ba? Okay, sino pa po? Si Babu Indang and Babu Ana. Okay, tayo po tayo para sa ating bride. Ayan. Anong igal natin? Unahin muna natin po yung boys. Papalbaan pa, Balondon. Napalapakan natin sila. May tinuturo. Sino? Ay, si Papa Jimmy daw po. Kasama din nila. Paano po? Kinuro lang ha sa akin. Si Papa Jimmy at si Lolo Musa. Okay, apat sila. Ayan. O, dito na. Dito tayo. Tayo po tayo. Saglit lang.
Friends from SBMA, ang dami ko po yan. We would like to congratulate both of you, Osang and best wishes. Always be happy and long live. Anyway, thank you.
Ang muli na makatawa na Manlaw Taala, ang sukol makaam, sa pagpunta niyo po dito, sa paglaan po ng oras niyo. Yun lang, salamat.
I pray to God, my heart, soul, and body, every single day of my life, with every breath. I solemnly promise to try to live my life for you. Oh Allah, you did revive my soul and shone your light into my heart. So pleasing you is now my only goal. Oh, I love you so, I love you so, I love you so. Now I know how it's like to have your precious love in my life. Now I know how it feels to finally be at peace inside. I wish that everybody knew how amazing it feels to love you. I wish that everyone could see how your love has set me free. Set me free and made me strong. Oh Allah, I'm forever grateful to you. Whatever I say can never be enough. You gave me strength to overcome my uncertainties and stand firm against all the odds. You are the one who did revive my soul. You shone your light into my heart. So pleasing you is now my only goal. Oh, I love you so, I love you so, I love you so. Now I know how it's like to have your precious love in my life.
Sa ngalan ng inyong mga regalo, kahit daw po wala yan, ang mahalaga ay nandito kayo. Your presence make this day even more special. For Mr. and Mrs. Smith, let us continue celebrating the love and joy and togetherness. Once again, congratulations to our newlyweds!
How your love has set me free and made me strong. My love, my life, my days, my nights, my wealth, my prayers are for you. My love, my life, my days, my nights, my wealth, my prayers are for you. And I swear that I will never put anyone or anything before you. My love, my life, my days, my nights, my wealth, my prayers are for you. Now I know how it's like to have your precious love in my life. Now I know how it feels to finally be at peace inside. I wish that everybody knew how amazing it feels to love you. I wish that